You guys, I'm so blessed to be out here, you guys, celebrating the 75th anniversary, you guys. How about a big round of applause for all the helpers and all the workers that made this event possible.
Josh and his band entertained the crowd with the sounds of the islands.
How about a big round of applause for the band, you guys up here, all the way from Hawaii, you guys. For the welcome for the Sushi, Eddie Simon here, and to my far right, Travis Kaka. How about a big round of applause for all the slot machines that took my money? Anyways, kick back, relax, and enjoy, you guys. We hope to bring a little bit of Hawaii to you guys. Come on over. You can take them all. Come on over. Only you can see me. And if I'm losing you, come on.
Josh invited special guest, Nahoku Hanohano winner, Kalae Camarillo on stage, who was also joined by his wife, Layla, for a special duet. But these two weren't the only special guests.
Special guest, I'd like to call up my dad to the stage. You know, my dad is one of the original members of the group Katana. I'm just glad to have him here.
So it goes like this. If you don't listen to sing along, this is about 20 years ago. This is when I had a lot of hair, a six-pack, and everything else. So it goes like this.
Once again, how about a big round of applause, you guys, for Aloha Shoyu and the staff and the workers and everyone.